Meet the Bombardier Beetle. This bug doesn't run. It detonates. Inside its abdomen, two chemicals, hydrogen peroxide and hydroquinone, are stored separately. When threatened, they mix in a blast chamber and fire out boiling hot gas at 100 degrees Celsius. That's right, it weaponized its butt. And it doesn't just fire once. It can blast up to 500 times in a single fight rapid-fire style. Click, fire, click, fire. It's like a living machine gun, but squishier. Electric eel. This fish is a living battery. It stacks thousands of electrocytes like a biological capacitor. At full power, 860 volts. Enough to knock out a horse, stun prey, and make predators rethink their life choices. It has 3 different electric organs. The main organ for high voltage attacks, Hunter's organ for directional shocks, and Sack's organ for low voltage pulses, like a 3-level stun gun. It doesn't just zap once, can fire in bursts like a taser with rhythm. Oh, and it can jump out of water to complete the circuit, using your arm. The spitting cobra doesn't need to bite. It weaponized accuracy with precision that rivals Olympic archers. It can spit venom up to 3 meters, straight into the eyes of its enemy with 95% accuracy. The venom isn't just toxic, it's blinding. It hits you even while you're moving. It doesn't guess, predicts your next move, 200 milliseconds into the future. The sea cucumber is soft, slow, and squishy, but when threatened, it goes full horror movie. It ejects its internal organs, sticky, toxic spaghetti, right into the face of its attacker. That's right, it throws up its guts as a defense mechanism. The expelled organs are coated in halothurin, a chemical that's toxic to fish and crustaceans. And the best part? It regenerates everything, like a biological reset button. The hagfish is ancient, jawless, and looks like it crawled out of a nightmare. But its defense? Pure chaos. When attacked, it releases liters of slime, enough to clog gills and choke its predator. The slime expands on contact with water, turning into a gelatinous net that suffocates predators. From venomous snipers to self-cleaning slime machines, nature doesn't play fair. These creatures aren't just surviving, they're rewriting the rules of defense. And honestly, we're lucky they're small.